always tell people, there's basically two tricks. You can analyze things much better and much more automated and like give a real deep causal analysis, or you can automate things. And like when you can do both, it's awesome, right? But to be honest, like you really only have two tricks: to analyze and to automate. And as somebody who's getting into AI, you kind of have to figure out what your passion is, right? Because if you love finding that nugget of truth, it's like, this is like the aha moment. Then you're the analyst side. You've got to really learn how to communicate. You've got to learn how to model the domain that people are at, like work with subject matter experts to like take the things that they're in their head to like actual like data and like represent those in algorithms and whatnot. And then you got to know your statistics and all the different pieces of that. If you're like, well, man, the really cool part is like making this work for 10,000 people at a time, or making the car drive itself. Like, all right, great. So that's more the engineering, the automation work. And so now you got to really learn how to code. You got to learn the DevOps world, and you have to kind of understand like what this like. I have an algorithm. How do I get the feedback loop in that algorithm? How do I make sure the data's clean and that sort of thing?